Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten. Today we delve into the latest safety ratings of electric vehicles and innovative mobility projects shaping our future. We also explore global petroleum production trends and advancements in renewable energy and carbon capture technologies. In 2023, global production of petroleum and other liquids was estimated at 101.8 million barrels per day, with expectations of a 0.4 million increase in 2024 and a 2.0 million increase in 2025, largely due to rising crude oil production in the United States, Guyana, Canada, and Brazil. These increases are set to counterbalance voluntary production cuts from OPEC+ countries, which constituted 43% of the global production in 2023. OPEC+ is anticipated to reduce production by 1.0 million barrels per day in 2024, with a rebound of 0.9 million barrels per day in 2025 as cuts expire. Non-OPEC+ countries' production is expected to grow by 1.4 million barrels per day in 2024 and an additional 1.1 million barrels per day in 2025, significantly contributed by the United States. Technological advancements and long-term projects have driven this growth, notably in the Americas, despite potential project delays and global trade flow impacts from issues like attacks near the Red Sea and low water levels in the Panama Canal. A year ago, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, proposed new exhaust emissions rules aiming for a 56% reduction in acceptable limits, indirectly necessitating a boost in EV sales. Automakers, especially Toyota and Stellantis, criticized the proposal, citing overly optimistic EV growth expectations and underestimating manufacturing and consumer support challenges. The United Auto Workers expressed concerns over EV jobs paying less and urged for a more gradual increase in standards. On March 20th, the Biden administration announced the final rules, marking the strictest limits on pollution from cars and light trucks, targeting a significant decrease in carbon emissions by 2032. This rule is expected to cut over 7 billion tons of carbon dioxide emissions by 2055, significantly reducing toxic pollution and particulate emissions. Automakers and the UAW praised the revised rule for its feasibility and long-term vision. Plug-in hybrids gained prominence under the final rule, with a combined target of 56% EVs and 13% plug-in hybrids by 2032, anticipated to save the nation $99 billion annually and prevent 2,500 premature deaths by 2055. The rule has been hailed for its potential health benefits and environmental impact, despite criticism from some quarters for perceived compromises. Radia, a U.S. startup, has emerged with a groundbreaking solution to transport the largest, most efficient wind turbines to inaccessible inland sites, overcoming obstacles posed by bridges, tunnels, and winding roads. Founded in 2016, Radia aims to revolutionize onshore wind farms by utilizing WindRunner, the world's largest cargo aircraft, designed to deliver supersized turbine components. This innovation addresses the challenge of transporting larger turbines that are more efficient but difficult to convey by road, especially to sparsely populated areas where wind farms are typically located. WindRunner's ability to land on short, semi-prepared runways offers a novel approach to deploying large turbines onshore, potentially doubling their profitability and tripling viable land for wind farms. Beyond logistics, Radia envisions leading onshore wind energy expansion, enhancing profitability, lowering costs, and boosting energy transition investments. The initiative also supports green hydrogen production, crucial for the global energy transition, by enabling more effective wind farm locations and potentially advancing the repowering industry and rural economic development through distributed wind resources. Next, we'll be discussing the innovative air mine solution, direct air capture, DAC technology, essential for achieving net zero carbon emissions according to a 2022 UN report, involves machines that extract carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Companies are innovating to make DAC viable, facing challenges like finding CO2 storage solutions and reducing costs. Airmine, a startup, distinguishes itself with a proprietary liquid that releases CO2 using low-temperature heat, unlike others requiring high temperatures. This approach, potentially less efficient, offers flexibility in using various low-temperature heat sources like electricity, industrial waste, or geothermal energy. Airmine is testing prototypes and exploring modular collector systems. Their liquid's key ingredient seems to be quaternary ammonium compounds, useful for their stability and low heat release properties. Airmine is collaborating with Fervo in a geothermal project and plans a carbon capture deployment in California by 2026, having raised $6.9 million in funding. However, its technology's water use may limit deployment in arid areas. And now, pivot our discussion towards automotive news. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, has awarded top safety ratings to several EVs, including Tesla Model Y, Genesis Electrified G80, and Hyundai Ioniq 6, under its 2024 Tougher Safety Standards. The IIHS tests, which now emphasize pedestrian and backseat passenger safety, show EVs excel in crash resilience. Clean Technica's report highlights EVs as safer and more cost-effective than internal combustion engine vehicles, drawing on a survey of 1,097 EV owners. These owners reported lower running costs and little concern over battery fires, rating EV safety highly. The IIHS has also introduced more rigorous crash tests, with 71 vehicles earning top safety pick awards, 22 receiving the Elite Plus designation. Notably, many EV recalls can be addressed through over-the-air software updates, enhancing safety efficiently. The Tesla Model Y stands out globally for its safety features, emphasizing the safety and economic benefits of EVs over traditional vehicles. Amber, a Bay Area startup founded in early 2023, introduces Amber Care, an aftermarket warranty for Tesla Model Y, 3S and X owners, addressing the challenges of maintaining aging EVs post-warranty. With plans ranging from $40 to $120 per month, Amber Care covers crucial components like drive units and batteries. The service, aiming to fill the service and parts gap in the EV market, operates by coordinating with qualified repair shops for parts sourcing and repairs, even providing vehicle transportation. Amber, leveraging $3.18 million in seed funding from several investors, is launching Amber Care in 10 states with plans to expand. This initiative targets both potential used EV buyers deterred by repair costs and current owners beyond Tesla's warranty period, aiming to simplify EV maintenance and repair processes. Toyota embarked on an ambitious project called Woven City at the base of Japan's Mount Fuji, aiming to complete its first phase by year-end, with trials starting in 2025. This 708,000 square meter development, a mass human experiment for mobility innovations, will initially host 360 residents, expanding to 2,000, blending senior citizens, families, inventors, and Toyota employees. It's built on Toyota's former Higashi-Fuji plant site, signifying a bridge from past to future. Woven City will serve as a testing ground for automated driving, robotics, AI, and personal mobility, featuring streets for automated vehicles, pedestrians, and personal mobility, alongside an underground road for goods. With buildings constructed using traditional Japanese woodworking by robots, this living lab aims to integrate cutting-edge technology with a traditional aesthetic. Funded significantly by former CEO Akio Toyoda, with an estimated construction cost around AUD $15 billion, Woven City symbolizes Toyota's shift towards a mobility-focused future, intertwining its foundational principles into the fabric of tomorrow's societal solutions. Now, we're about to explore BMW's electric future. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse X concept is pivotal, previewing electric-powered BMW SUVs, a lucrative segment for BMW, which has sold over 12 million X-badged SUVs since 1999. Production of the Neue Klasse X starts in 2025 in Hungary, preceding the Neue Klasse sedan. Despite necessary robustness adjustments for production, the concept's design cues, including muscular fenders and a cleaner, confident look, will largely remain. The concept's distinctive features like the illuminated kidney grille and the rear light graphic will also make it to production, alongside interior elements such as recycled material upholstery and the panoramic vision display. The new iDrive system debuts in the Neue Klasse X, eliminating the iDrive controller but retaining essential knobs. This model introduces digital customization for the central display and electronic sound. BMW's new software stack interacts with advanced hardware, supporting up to 4 e-motors and enabling faster charging, increased battery power density, and extended driving range, marking a significant investment in BMW's future. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.